welcome back to my channel. And if you're new, hi, I'm Nicole. Welcome. I hope you stick around and enjoy some more of my videos. Today's video is a grocery haul. We went to Checkers, Hyper instead of Macro. I thought we should switch it up a little bit, check out some other stores. You know, I think we'll do Checkers for a little bit, or maybe we'll like shuffle between, I don't know, but like there's just so much more to choose from at Checkers than there is at Macro. So we got all the stuff. All of the stuff totaled to 5.5 total, roughly 5.5 plus, definitely plus 5.5, less than 5.6 though. But let me show you everything that we got. Okay, so I'm gonna start down here. We got this 9 kg packet of auto washing machine powder, and then we got this huge pack of toilet paper. So this is 48 rolls in here. We've never used this one before. Hopefully it's good, because I think this was like three something. I can't remember the exact price, but we always buy the 224s, which makes 48, and I'm pretty sure we spend about the same price. We also got some mighty big paper towels. There's more. I'll show you that. We got some mozzarella cheese. We got some original Viennas. These are smoked. This is a small packet because we don't really eat them, but we have guests who do. We got a packet of broccoli florets. That's what I like about Checkers. They have so many options, whereas Macro, you're getting the same things all the time because that's all they have to offer. We got broccoli florets. These are frozen. We also got mixed veggies. So this is a garden mix. And we got 2 packets of those. We got a big 5-liter bottle of orange flavored Oros. Back there we have this value pack of cold drinks, so a Coke and a Fanta orange. The back there we have 4 bottles of water, just regular water. Then we got some extra virgin olive oil over here. We got brown vinegar. We got this soy sauce. This is a thick one. We use soy sauce a lot. We got some Mrs. Ball's chutney. And then we also got 4 cans of tuna. I'm super excited about tuna. All I need is Kewpie mayo, and then that's a whole meal. Kewpie mayo, rice, tuna, done. So I'm excited about that. We got sweet potato fries. We haven't got these in a while because Macro stopped stocking them. But this is the rosemary and garlic flavor. Hopefully it's as good as we remember. We also got Texan barbecue. These are potato chips, and we got 2 packets of these, and it's the crispy oven chips with skin. We have some salted butter over here. Also have some Granny Smith apples. My sister likes those. She's the only one who eats those. We got tasty chicken and onion with rosemary. Never had this. We're gonna try it for the first time. We also got 3 cream of chickens, I believe. 3 cream of chickens. And then we got 4 packets of the chicken noodle. Again, this is something we used to buy all the time, but then Macro stopped stocking it. We got some smash mash. This is like instant mashed potatoes. We got 4 little packets of that. I mean, they had all sizes. I don't know why we chose that, but we did. We also got peach slices in syrup. 2 cans of that. And then back here, we got this Asian sticky barbecue sauce. It says awesome on everything. I've never seen this. There's so many things that I've never seen at Checkers. They also have a gochujang sauce, which we'll try next time. I know gochujang is spicy, and I have gochujang, so I didn't pick that one up, so I got this one instead. On the back it says it's good with everything. It's good as a dipping sauce for spring rolls, satays, dim sum, and you can add it to stir fry, fried rice, and you can use it as basting sauce, which is really cool. No added MSG, and it's vegan. I'm excited. Flaming Thai, that's the name of the brand, I think, because it was also on the gochujang sauce. Back here we have acha. This is just regular mango flavored acha. Next to that we have some peanut butter. This is a smooth one. We also have some lemon juice, 100% lemon juice. Back here we have some jam. So we typically get it in a can like this, but they had it in this tub, and our storage system or method rather for jam just wasn't working out for us. So we figured this is really good because you just open it and you use it in this tub, and then every time you run out you just buy a new tub, which is perfect. It eliminates a lot of the like cleaning for having a specific tub for it. We got 4 boxes of ground ginger. That's a lot. We also got this sweet and smoky barbecue seasoning. They had like a chicken, I think sweet and spicy chicken. I think we'll try that one next time. They look really good, both of them. They have quite a variety of spices, this brand. Cape herb and spice. They have a ton of different flavors, and so this one caught my eye along with the sweet and spicy chicken. So we'll get that next time. We got some Italian herb seasoning, mixed herbs, and then some coriander. Then in the front here we have 2 loaves of bread. We got some macaroni. We haven't really been eating pasta that much. We haven't bought chicken breasts in like a minute. So we don't really cook this a lot. So we just bought 2. We typically buy like 4 packets. We got some barbecue spice over here. Some chicken flavored stock cubes. Some bicarbonate of soda. And some lactose free milk. And then we got this 1 kg packet of icing sugar. This is so nice because at Macro they don't have that. So it was nice to see something so like readily accessible. We got some syrups here. We have golden syrup from the kitchen. This brand looks really cute and they have a ton of different syrups. So we thought we would just give it a shot. And then we also got some maple flavored syrup because that's my favorite. We have some mangoes here. Been on a huge mango kick, and it has to be, so these green ones, I'm obsessed at the moment. They're so good. They're so sweet. It's crazy. So I typically buy the already sliced one from Woolworths, but I haven't gone to Woolworths in a while. My dad brought these home the other day, and I maxed them. I think there's 1 left in the fridge, and there was like 5, and they're the size of my head. Moving on, we got some extra special garam masala. I really like the spice. It's really good. We didn't get any Chinese spice, but we have that already. That's why we didn't pick some up. And then we got these sauces. We used to get them a while back, and we typically cook them with chicken breasts, which we don't have, so we'll probably have to get those. But they're not hot at all. This is the chicken korma one, and then we have the butter chicken one back here, but they're so good. Well, at least I remember them being good. Also, this brand makes that like paste, the curry paste, which makes the meat taste really good. And then back there we have some mango flavored oros over here. At the back here we have some cremora, which is just like powdered milk. We got some cherry lozenge smoothies, and then some bananas back here. We have these 3 bell peppers, all 3 colors. We have a big pack of cake flour. And then in the front here we have 3 of these Poiki meats trays. They have really good prices at Checkers, so we buy our chicken from there sometimes, and this is the first time we're buying Poiki from there. So we just got 3 packs. Also, load shedding, we can't really buy a lot of meat all at once. Back here we have these rounds. These are like butter flavored crackers. Those are like really soft, but not mushy. Oh, don't you just love these notifications? If you get them, they make me so happy. Oh my gosh. Anyway, these are really good. The flavor is so strong though. The cheese and the butter It's so strong. Like, these are amazing. I don't eat them a lot, but when we go to Checkers, because that's the only place where I found them, I always pick some up. Back here we have 2 of these Nivea Irresistibly Smooth lotions. Then here's the other big mighty paper towel, and then back there we have some more jumbo kitchen towels. That's the Checkers brand. Over here we have these Kotex pads, and then we have some premium Always pads. We have panty liners over here, some petroleum jelly over here, which is just Vaseline. Back there we have 4 tissue boxes, so that's like a value pack. I think it was 90 bucks for all 4. And then we got this, Omo washing liquid. Last month my mom got the sunlight one, and it smells really, really good. So hopefully this one smells good as well. We also got some thick bleach, so we got 2 of these. This brand Albex, and then we got 2 Domestos, and then we got some MAC thick bleach as well. Down here we have this Epizone cream. My mom uses that. We have 3 of these. That belongs there. I'll show you that. We have some POSTAL. This is cough syrup. 3 of these Dove roll-ons. The grey one, so the invisible dry. We have a Bepanthen ointment. Then we got some fabric conditioners. So we have this MAC brand. We have this lavender scent. We have Baby Love over here, and another Baby Love, and another Baby Love. And then we have fabric conditioner. This is lavender. Yeah, from Sunlight. We also have some garbage bags. We have 2 packets of those. And then back here we have some Doom. My mom picked up this bath tonic from Deep Heat. So this is like a muscle relief ointment. It's typically an ointment, and you rub it into your skin. So this one you put it in your bath. It says soothes tired muscles, pH balanced, therapeutic, relaxing foam bath, herbal fragrance, and aromatic oils. Seemed interesting. My mom picked that up. We have a gel Colgate toothpaste over here. We have some insect repellent powder. Yeah. We have a blooming peony and cherry air freshener. We have 2 boxes of plasters because, yeah, plasters. These are water resistant, but they do have waterproof ones. They just come in one size only, which isn't ideal. These come in a couple different sizes, so that's helpful. We have a box of tissues here. This is 3-ply. We don't typically get that. We have the hand wash here. So this is the Protex Herbal Hand Wash. And then over here we have some Lux soap. So we have a couple different scents. We have this one, Even Tone. I don't remember seeing that before. We have Tempting Whisper, Soft Touch, Velvet Touch, and then Sheer Twilight. And then over here we have these wine duos. And then my mom picked up some in-house trifle. Not really a custard person, so that's definitely for her. I got some toothbrushes. I bought these recently and I can't find them. Anyway, extra soft, and I picked the blue kind, the green kind actually. It's all green. We have some more Colgate gel toothpaste. Then we have the Colgate Max White Lasting White toothpaste. And then we have these Grandpa sachets for headache relief. We have some pegs, some toilet blocks. We have 2 refill packs of Sunlight dishwashing liquid. And then there's like a baby shop attached to the Checkers that we went to. And they had this bow. And in the store, I thought it was like a really, really light purple. But it's definitely a blue. Glitter bow blue. It says blue on the bottom too. So I should get my eyes checked for sure. We also got these hooded baby towels. These are for my sister. And yeah, that's it. This is everything that we got. It's not a lot, but it's everything that we're supposed to get. So yeah, that's everything that we got. The workers at Checkers did say that the prices just went up literally on Monday. So today's Thursday, they went up on Monday. So things are a lot more expensive. They were going up like quite a bit, not like a couple rands, like it's a significant-ish amount. So yeah, prices have increased a lot, and that's why I think normally a grocery haul this big, we could have done 5 straight, but the extra 6 was definitely like cumulative increases over all the prices. But yeah, that's everything we got, and that's everything that I have for you today. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. You can check me out on my Instagram and my Facebook. If you're on Facebook a lot, whenever I post a new video here, it gets uploaded onto there as well, so you never miss a video. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.